trying to improve your team's performance, let's make sure we have good policies and standards that clearly align business functions and processes to the team's roles and responsibilities. At a high level, we can see that this group has the most useful resources by color, and this group doesn't have any useful resources. What we can do here is clearly define which steps and phases need to occur for effective policies and standards to improve your information security team's performance. We break this down and we see that there's tons and tons of things to do and none of them are started. Let's change that by filtering what is the priority. We've reduced that to 2 items. We need to define our security policies and our security standards. Our current maturity level is 0, and the task here is to define our cloud security policy and define our vulnerability and patch management standard. This is how we're going to establish these policies, work together across teams, and reduce confusion about security concepts. When we move to architecture, we see that there are more components that we need to do. We're going to need to have a meeting with our network architecture team, the security design. We're going to need to determine segregation of production and non-production environments to allow us to develop in an unsecure or insecure environment that doesn't compromise the integrity of the business process. Then we're going to move to network segmentation review. This is where you really want to focus on multi-tenant or cohabilitated tenancy. And this is really important to get the right stakeholders in the room at the right time. Our information assurance management framework, our implementation, and managing our secrets. Then we'll move into the verification, where we will determine our on-demand asset inventories, the validation of our cloud deployments. We will continue to work through this, right? These are all our priority 1 steps, but verification will come later. Again, we really want to start with defining our standards and our policies so the organization runs efficiently. We'll go through, we'll talk about supply chain security, and we'll move into monitoring and alerting, the most imperative to improve your organization's security posture and understand when an attack has occurred and where the attackers have gone. So follow along if you want to learn more, and we'll keep making good policies.